everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. I hope you all are amazing and safe at home. Myself Shaileja Dhumar and I welcome you all to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Children, today we are going to learn a very interesting content, but before that, you want to listen one story? Are you ready for that? Okay, so listen it very carefully, okay? Now children, can you see this? What is this? This is my hand and these are my fingers. What? These are my fingers. Okay. If you will see, can you see on my fingers I have written some letters. मैंने मेरे fingers पे कुछ letters लिखे हैं. Tell me which letter is this? Can you recognize this letter? Letter A. Very nice. This is E. I O U. How many letters are this? 5. Which are those letters? A, E, I, O, U. Okay, कितने letters हो गए? 5 fingers, 5 letter. कितने? 5 fingers and 5 letters. 5 fingers, 5 letters. So children, one day A for ant. One day A for ant and E for elephant decides to go to ice cream shop. एक दिन ant, A for ant and E for elephant. ये क्या है? ये दो बेस्ट फ्रेंड है. As you know, आपको तो पता है ant and elephant की story. Ellie the elephant, right? So ant and elephant, these are best friends. ये दोनों best friends है. Okay? तो एक दिन A for ant and E for elephant प्लान करते हैं कि उनको आइसक्रीम खाने के लिए जाना है. कहाँ जाना है? I for आइसक्रीम खाने के लिए. A is ant, E is for elephant. These both are best friends and they decide to go to eat the ice cream. One day they decide to go to the ice cream parlor to eat that. Okay. Next, can you see this? This is O for orange. And you know children, जो आइसक्रीम थी ना, वो कौन से कलर की थी? कौन से फ्लेवर की थी? O for orange. A for ant and E for elephant, ये बेस्ट फ्रेंड है. एक दिन वो डिसाइड करते हैं कि उनको आइसक्रीम खाने के लिए जाना है. I for आइसक्रीम and I O, जो आइसक्रीम है वो कौन से फ्लेवर की है? ऑरेंज कलर के फ्लेवर की है. ऑरेंज. ओके. सो एलिफेंट, एंट एंड एलिफेंट आइसक्रीम खाने के लिए जाते हैं और यू नो वो जो आइसक्रीम है ऑरेंज फ्लेवर की है एंड वो दोनों कहाँ बैठकर खाते हैं आइसक्रीम? Come on, think. Use your logic. As I yesterday told you, your observation should be very neat and clean. Neat and clean. Yes. So now think. कहाँ बैठ के खाते हैं वो आइसक्रीम? U for umbrella. Yes. Ant and elephant best friends है. एक दिन आइसक्रीम खाने के लिए जाते हैं. I for आइसक्रीम. आइसक्रीम जो है वो ऑरेंज कलर के फ्लेवर की है और वो जो ऑरेंज कलर की आइसक्रीम है वो अम्ब्रेला के नीचे, यू फॉर अम्ब्रेला के नीचे बैठकर खाते हैं. सो चिल्ड्रन, कैन यू सी दिस? व्हाट आई मीन टू से? मुझे यहाँ पे इस स्टोरी से आपको ये बताना है कि यहाँ पे कुछ 5 लेटर्स जो मैंने यूज किए हैं ना, उस लेटर्स को क्या बोलते हैं? दीज आर द वॉवल्स. व्हाट वी कॉल टू दिस लेटर्स? दीज आर द वॉवल्स. टोटल वी हैव 26 अल्फाबेट्स, A to Z. A to Z जो है ये अल्फाबेट्स है. टोटल कितने अल्फाबेट्स है? 26. फ्रॉम दैट 26 अल्फाबेट्स में से 5 जो है कौन से है? A for ant, E for elephant, I for ice cream, O for orange and U for umbrella. These 5 are vowels. ये जो 5 लेटर्स है ये vowels है. ओके. सो रिमेनिंग जो 21 है those are consonants. टोटल 26 अल्फाबेट्स है. 26 अल्फाबेट्स आर देयर. फ्रॉम दैट 5 आर वॉवल्स. उसमें से 5 लेटर जो है दीज आर द 5 लेटर्स. ये जो है ये 5 लेटर्स है वो क्या है? वॉवल्स है. एंड रिमेनिंग 21 लेटर्स आर कॉन्सोनेंट्स. नो वॉवल्स मीन्स जिसको हम स्वर बोलते हैं एंड कॉन्सोनेंट्स मीन्स जिसको हम व्यंजन बोलते हैं. So today we are going to learn about vowels and regarding consonants we'll see in details after some days, but before that we'll clear this concept. Okay, so children, take your pencil, eraser and can you see this? This is my first steps with Cambridge upper KG phonics skill book. So take your this skill book. Okay. So children, see phonics drills. Okay. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Total 26 alphabets are there. From that 26, 5 are vowels. स्वर बोलते हैं जिसको हम लोग, and remaining 21 are consonants. उसको हम व्यंजन बोलते हैं. Okay. So children, as I told you the story, I hope you like that story. A for ant. Huh? A for ant and E for elephant. Ant and elephant, these are best friends, and one day they went to eat the ice cream. I for ice cream. And वो जो ice cream थी वो कौन से फ्लेवर की थी? O for orange कलर के फ्लेवर की थी. And where they sat to eat the ice cream? Below the umbrella. Ant and elephant best friend है, और एक दिन वो आइसक्रीम खाने के लिए जाते हैं. I for आइसक्रीम. जो आइसक्रीम है वो कौन से कलर की है? ऑरेंज कलर की, और ऑरेंज फ्लेवर की ही है. नेक्स्ट, और वो कहाँ बैठकर खाते हैं? U for umbrella. So A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. Total 5 vowels are there in 26 alphabets, and remaining 21 are the consonants. Okay, consonants and vowels again we are going to see in details, but before that we'll clear this concept. Okay, so children, look and read aloud. Okay. Phonics की हमने practice की थी, right? I hope you have prepared the phonics chart. So children, tell me, which fruit is this? Is this a fruit or vegetable? This is a fruit. And what is the name of this fruit? Apple. Yes, this is a apple. Apple. Next, come to this side. What is this? Yesterday we have practiced. हमने कल बहुत सारे words सीखे हैं. From that word we have learned this word also. A for envelope. Yes, this is the envelope. Next, O for orange. And sorry, this is apple. Afterwards, E for envelope. Next, I. The sequence is A, E, I, O, U. E for igloo. E for ice cream. Yes, but this is igloo. Next, O for orange. And this is for umbrella. Umbrella. Okay, just repeat after me. Say A for apple. Apple. E is for envelope. Envelope. I is for igloo. Igloo. O is for orange. Orange. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. Okay. So children, tell me, how many vowels are there? Total 5 vowels are there. Those are A, E, I, O, U. And how you will remember that? A for ant. E for elephant. I for ice cream. O for orange. And U for umbrella. Okay, जो मैंने आपको story बताई है ना, which story I recite you, that story you have to keep remember for this vowel concept. Okay, so children, I hope you have understood this content. Okay, shall we go further? Now, children, take your workbook. Okay, children, but before that, see, we have learned these vowels, right? Now tell me some vocabularies related to this, starting with alphabeticals A, E, I, O, U. Come on, say. A is for apple. Again, tell me the words starting with A. A words के मुझे A letter के मुझे words बताओ. Apple. Next, aeroplane. Yes, very nice. And yes. Next, E. E for elephant. Elephant. Next, yes, E for envelope. Very good. Again, क्या हो सकता है E से? हाँ? Yes, come on, think. आपको सोचना है. I am not going to tell the answer. E is for egg. Egg भी होता है ना? E is for elephant. E is for envelope. E is for egg. Next, I. I for igloo. I for ice cream. I for ink. Okay. Next, O for आपको words बताने हैं. लेटर ओ से कौन से वर्ड्स है? O for orange, O for octopus, O for oval shape, एक का जो शेप होता है ना वो ओवल शेप होता है ना, या नेक्स्ट AEIO, लास्ट U, U के वर्ड्स बताओ, टेल मी सम वर्ड्स बिगिनिंग लेटर U के वर्ड्स बताओ, कम ऑन. U for umbrella, yes, again, come on, say, think. U is for umbrella, again, चलो think करो, सोचो. U is for umbrella, U is for unicorn. Okay. So children, I hope you understand till here. Okay, shall we go further? Acha. Take your workbook. Children, take your workbook and come to page number 3. See. Can you see this? This is my first steps with Cambridge Upper KG Literacy Workbook. Okay, now come to page number 3. Okay, so what is this? Vowels and consonants. As I told you, total 5 vowels are there. Okay, in total 26 alphabets mein, total we have 26 alphabets. From that 5 are vowel and remaining 21 are consonants. So what you have to do is vowels and consonants. Color the apples with vowels red. Read aloud the consonants. Okay children, आपको क्या करना है, यहाँ पे जो अल्फाबेट्स दिए गए हैं ना उसमें से color the alphabets with color the apples with vowel red. Okay. So children, what you have to do is, can you see these all the apples? Okay. तो इसमें से जो vowels है, which one? A, E, I, O, U. सिर्फ उतने 5 vowels को आपको क्या करना है? Red color देना है. These are the apples and apple is in red color. Apple has red color. So which color you will give? Red color. To whom you will give? Which apples you will give? Those are the vowels like A. Again, where is the E? E, I, O and U. These are the vowels. Okay, total 5 vowels. तो इसको आपको क्या करना है? आपको red color देना है. Okay. And remaining जो consonants है, आपको सिर्फ उसको read करना है. Okay. Like example C. A is for apple. Apple. B is for banana. Banana. C is for cup. Cup. D is for dolphin. Dolphin. ये जो हमने phonic sound सीखे हैं ना children, ये सभी आपको phonic sounds में बोलना है. Okay. But बोलते समय these are the 5 letters which we have. You have to give the red color to those vowels and remaining consonants जो है phonic sounds में बोलना है. This is one track I given to you. Okay. Fine. Now come to page number 4. This is your homework. Okay. So write here HW. This will be your homework. You have to complete at your home. Now come to page number 4. Yes. Now come to page number 4. Now children, can you see here vowels and consonants? Okay. Fill in the missing vowels. Children, here are some words. Okay. Here are some words, but vowels are missing. Okay. तो जो vowels है, those letters where we can write, you have to think. Okay. We have yesterday what we have learned? We have learned about vocabularies. These are also vocabularies, but the thing is, yesterday we have learned first letter missing tha, but today we are going to learn about these vocabularies. But can you see this between? Between there is no letter, and A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. Those vowels we are going to write here with respective in between the respective that word. Okay, तो एक meaning तैयार होगा ना उसका. So clues already it has given here. Now see children, what is this? Which picture is this? Yes, what is it? This is a sink. Then this is a tub. Very nice. This is a tub. So children, think what will be the spelling of tub? See, T-B. Come on, try to think. Tub की spelling क्या हो सकती है? TOB टॉब हो जाएगा, TEB टैब हो जाएगा, TIB टीब हो जाएगा. Then what will be the spelling of tub? TUB tub. Okay, very good. Right here. TUB tub. AEIOU. These are the vowels. So we are going to use those vowels here. Okay. Next, can you see this? S-D. See children, इसके related तो कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है यहाँ पे मुझे. I can't see anything related to this. Here, this is box. This is aeroplane. Yes, sorry, this is not aeroplane. This is jet. Okay, this is boy. But can you see this boy? He is sitting so sad. Is this sad or happy? Sad, no? So, what will be the spelling of sad? Come on, think. S-E-D, seed हो जाएगा. S-E-D, sad हो जाएगा. Then what will be the spelling of sad? A-A? Yes, apple. S-A-D, sad. S-A-D, sad. Come on, write it with beautiful handwriting. Next, come to this picture. See, J-T. Okay, so this is a box. Again, this is one kid. This is a bag. Sad to ho gaya. Tub also we have written. Then remaining what? Is this jet or aeroplane? Jet. Very nice. So what will be the spelling of jet? What we should use in between of J-T? E for elephant. Very nice. So what will be the spelling of jet? J-E-T, jet. Jet. Say G-E-T, jet. Sorry, J-E-T, jet. Okay. Now next, B-G. Okay, B-G. So see children, we have used this already. This also we have used. This is a tub. This is a jet. This is a sad boy. Remaining, this is a kid, this is a bag, and can you see this, recognize this picture, this is a box. So children, what is the spelling of bag? B-A-G, bag. Yes, B-A-G, bag. Very nice. Say bag. B-A-G, bag. Bag. Okay. Next. Can you see this? B-X. X. So what will be the spelling of box? हमने see total how many vowels are there? 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. From that how many we have used? 4 vowels already we have used. Then remaining O. Also what is the spelling of box? B, O, X, box. Box. Okay. So write the spelling of box. B-O-X, box. Next. Now we have used this picture also and this also. Okay. So who is remaining? A small little kid like you. So what will be the spelling of kid? I. हमने यहाँ पे I use किया है. Did we use I? No, na. So write here I. K-I-D, kid. K-I-D, kid. Come on, repeat after me. Put your finger in your book. T-U-B, tub. Tub. S-A-D, sad. Sad. J-E-T, jet. Jet. B-A-G, bag. Bag. B-O-X, box. B-O-X, box. B-O-X, box. Box. K-I-D, kid. K-I-D, kid. Kid. Okay, children. So I hope you have completed this and you have understood this also, as we have used kid also. Okay, children. So children, I hope you understand today's our vowels and consonants content, and I hope you like the story which I recite you. Okay. In that story, how many characters we have read? We have learned A for ant and E for elephant. These are the characters. Okay. And उन्होंने क्या किया है? आइसक्रीम खाने की प्लानिंग की थी, उसके बाद O फॉर ऑरेंज कलर की आइसक्रीम थी, एंड कहाँ पे बैठ के उन्होंने खाना खाया? बिलो द अम्ब्रेला. So how many vowels are there? A, E, I, O, U. We have total 26 alphabets. In that 5 vowels are there and remaining 21 are the consonants. Okay children. So I hope you understand today's session. We'll see you in the next session. Till then, be safe. Thank you.